Welcome back to the vlog. Today is Vlogmas day 23. We are so close, you guys, like so close, and I'm like, I don't even know what to vlog anymore. But I'm thinking I'm gonna do something today. Okay, it's gonna be food related, and that's all that I'm gonna tell you. So we'll catch you there. I have decided, well, I didn't decide, but Clay decided we're gonna make this box mix gluten-free cookie dough, our chocolate chip cookies, sorry, gluten-free chocolate chip cookies. I have had a habit of burning them the last couple times, so we're gonna try to not burn them this time around. This actually isn't, like, the recipe for this to make these isn't vegan. The mix inside is. So it calls for half a cup of butter, water, vanilla, and an egg. So I always just make one flax egg. So we're gonna do that now, and you just mix everything up together, and it's so easy and so fast. So let's get to it. First step, oh god, the mix. Just kidding. First step actually is putting the flax meal and water in this cup. 1 tablespoon of flax meal to 2.5 tablespoons of water is the ratio you're going to want to use. You're going to just mix the water and the flax meal together, and you gotta leave it for like 5 minutes and it will thicken. Now, don't ever let anyone tell you mixing batter is not a workout, okay? Looks amazing, let's go there. All right, in the oven they go. And I am going to actually put the timer on for 11 minutes and only put them back in for 2 more minutes. It says 11 to 13 minutes, okay? If they did not feel done enough for me, they're only going back in for 2 more minutes, and I'm gonna time it, and then they're coming out and they ain't staying in there any longer. Because I do not want to burn them yet again. So yeah, let's see when they come out at 11 minutes. Okay, at 11 minutes. I think they need more time, for sure. Okay, the 2-minute timer is up, so let's take them out, and I'm just crossing my fingers because they better be good. Okay, oh my god, they look beautiful. I actually think that they're perfect, so we'll find out in a couple minutes once they're a little bit cool, and then we'll taste this one. I just picked one up to take a picture of it, and literally perfection, I think. Here's the one I picked up. I think it looks pretty good. Oh my god. Now I've had this many times before, but they're so good. The perfect softness, a little crunchy. So good. Okay, I'm gonna have to eat some more of these. That will be it for the vlog today. I hope you enjoyed and learned something, and I will see you tomorrow for the next one.